Imagine a world with no blood banks. No frantic searching for a donor in the middle of the night. No complex cross-matching before a life-saving surgery. If you ever needed a transfusion, literally anyone on the street, your neighbor, a stranger, a passerby, could save your life instantly. This is because everyone on Earth, all 8 billion of us, shares the exact same blood type. At first glance, it sounds like a medical utopia, doesn't it? But to understand the hidden danger, we have to look at what blood types actually are. They aren't just random labels. They are your body's primary immune ID cards. Those A, B, and Rh antigens living on the surface of your red blood cells? Think of them as tiny biological locks. Nature absolutely loves variety, and there's a survival reason for that. It's our strongest defense against extinction. Scientists call this the Red Queen evolutionary race. A constant battle where we have to keep changing just to stay in place. You see, if a deadly virus or a clever bacteria evolves a key to pick the lock of type A blood, people with type B or type O act as a natural firebreak. The infection hits a wall and stops because it simply can't find a compatible host to survive in. Now, if we were all identical, let's say we all had that incredibly rare golden blood I talked about in my last video, emergency medicine would be revolutionized overnight. Organ transplants would have a near 0% rejection rate. Surgeries would be faster, safer, and the fear of a rare blood shortage would vanish forever. But here is the terrifying catch. In our search for medical convenience, we would lose our biological insurance policy. Without genetic diversity, humanity becomes one giant identical target. In a world of genetic homogeneity, we are all sitting ducks. If a single new strain of a disease, like a supercharged version of malaria or a modern-day plague, evolves to target that one specific blood antigen we all share, there would be no natural survivors left to rebuild. This is what scientists call a genetic bottleneck. In the natural world, when a species loses its diversity, it's almost always the final step toward extinction. One single key would unlock the life of every human being on the planet. So, while having a rare blood type can feel like a medical nightmare for one person, it is actually a miracle for our entire species. Our differences, the very things that make us unique, are quite literally what keep us alive. It makes you think, doesn't it? If you had the power to pick just one blood type for the whole world to share, would you choose O negative for the safety of universal donating? Or would you keep our messy, beautiful diversity exactly as it is?